Hello everyone, I'm here to show you another unboxing from Amanda and I'm really excited. So here she is. So she makes, I guess, monthly unboxings. So I'm pretty sure she does different types of months or throughout the year. I wasn't sure if she was going to do Valentine's, but probably not. But it's more, maybe, who knows? But it seems like she focuses on, a lot of the vintage and antique stuff, all that goody stuff that I love. And so, hopefully, okay, so it's from your creative studio. And again, it's from Amanda. And there she is. Voila! I'm really excited. Oh, here's the card. Let's see. She says thank you. And New Year's, new dreams, new goals, new journals. Yes. Sincerely, Amanda. So she wants to bring more of these hopefully throughout the new year. She's planning on doing that. Oh, wow. And here, I got, oh, look at that vintage washi tape. Oh, that is so neat. I would open it up, but I don't think I can get into it. And if I did, I would be very careful to take these stickers off so I can reuse those stickers. Not this one, this one. Wow, look at that. Beautiful Asian writing and everything. So cute. Oh, look at that. Like journaling on there with stickers. Oh, I love it. And masking tape. Masking tape. I guess I'll open it through here. Yeah. Washi tape. Some washi tape. And oh wow, it's like you can see tiny little grapes, like a grapevine. I like that. I'm so sorry for the thumb, guys. I bumped it about 2 weeks ago and it's still healing, so I'm so sorry. I'm gonna hide it. But yeah, there we go. It's very vintage looking. I love that. That is going to go really good with my tea dye papers and stuff. And oh, look how cute. Little numbers. And I like how everything is packaged. I love that. Little stamps. I needed these. Definitely put numbers on. Definitely for Christmas. You can number your size of your paper or something. That is cute. I love that. Definitely use that. Oh, some more of those stickers, those see-through stickers. See if I can get these out without them falling over. There we go. See, now I gotta grab them all. This is interesting. Look at that, like a little collage. And here are the stickers. Definitely for collaging. Yes. And you imagine just like unsticking these and putting these down like that. It looks just like other types of washi tape. I love these. Wow. Look at little tapes with faces on it of Victorian ladies. This is a very Victorian feel to it, and I love Victorian. The antique Victorian, Oh man, it's just adorable. I was just copying some pictures from Pinterest on Victorian maids, and Victorian children with their dresses, and I am dropping all of them. Wow, they are adorable. And all the ones that I dropped, they look like they're like a little scenery to like a antique church, antique buildings, in front of antique offices or houses or something. More of the see-through. You could just put that as your collaging and it's that writing. Oh, I love that one. That one's cute. I'm gonna have to do it this way. So they're little strips. I love this one. Oops, I'm covering the lady. This lady is holding a 4-leaf clover in her mouth. Definitely Ireland. Maybe vintage Ireland. I love it. Love it. Very cute. Definitely can use all of those. Love them. I can use them in my journal. Ooh, this has like a thicker plastic feel to it. Oh, wow. I love these. Look at that. Like a ledgered paper. It's kind of a check. More of them. Oh my gosh. These are like little checks and small half of ledger papers. Just very Victorian looking. Love that. Oh, I love this one. Look at that with the stamp. Put those away later. Oh, look at the chicken. And the doggy. Oh, cute. That's a beautiful dog. I think these dogs right here are like a red color, like a dark reddish color. Beautiful dogs. I don't know the name. I think I used to, but then I forgot. Too many years ago. Okay, this is one of my favorites. It's like a little ledger paper and it has beehives. You see that? Oh, I love the beehives. Now there's a different one underneath. These are nice. I love that. And here we got some more of these cute little stickers that I put one on they had them on the glossine bags. Oh, just love that. These are pretty. These are nice. I love the colors. Wow, Creative Studios, they did a good job. Amanda, wow. Lost. We got lost little churches here. We lost some there. Oh, look at now. These are what I did in my envelopes. Remember I had the bigger ones? And I put them in my little envelopes. Used envelopes to the mail. And here we go. More of them. Although, might tea dye some of those, though. Come on. Oh, I'm going to have to do this to get it out. There we go. Lots of them. I could just run my my antique stamp color over it. I don't have to really tea dye them. That is neat. I love it. I love it. Can't wait to use these. And you could put it behind some thicker cardstock and that'll get it more flatter. Put some glue behind it and then you can just slip them in the back and to write with in your little pockets in your journals. Oh, there's another one. Antique buildings. Here we go. It's like a Victorian lady with little vines. Wow, there's more of them. Oh, look at this. It's like a paper packet. And what I would do is probably fold one in half. You know, and put it in your pockets. Again. And you can just write in it. Definitely run it with the tea-dye stamper. And you just put it in your pockets. Love that. Oh my gosh. It's a little passport with, oh wow. I can't wait to see these. Oh, how cute. They're little post-its and you can like glue these on to your antique journals and stuff like that. And definitely, again, tea-dye the top with my stamper, you know, and wow, I love that. That's so cool. I love it. It's so cute. And you can write in here and here. You can definitely use that too. It's so cute. I love it. Got that vintage feeling. Nails. Wow, for mailing. I love this. Wow. Okay, definitely I am so grateful for this. Sorry about that. The camera cut out a little. Go. Wow, I love these. These are cute. I love them. Oh my gosh. Look at the Victorian ladies with the Victorian. Oh, I love this. And the pink. I love the colors. Okay, this is inspiring me to make a Victorian journal. Yes. Whoa, I don't want to drop it. I thought they were all going to fall. Oh, I am going to cut that out, that's for sure. We're going to cut that out. Oh, wow. I remember these. Oh, they look. They're stamps. And they look like, one is like a map. One is for like newspaper type writing, maybe, back in the Victorian days. Reminds me of that book that I put up in my Etsy. I love it. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful this pictures. The butterflies and prints. Living in my own little world. Oh. Oh, look at that. I love these. Is that? It looks like Marilyn Monroe. It was thick paper. Well, that's it. That is everything. Wow, I really like this stuff. I love this. You did a wonderful job, Amanda. I love everything. This is my favorite. I'm living in my own little world in crafting. Camera is acting up for some reason today. And these are just, wow, this botanical flowers. Yeah. Well, thank you for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.